I am going to tell another story about Auntie Ah Zen, who has a righteous and bright heart, and as the saying goes, a righteous heart is not afraid of evil. It was a dusk in late August in the 1960s. Ah Zen rode her bicycle to Wu Feng to listen to the sermon. On the road, she saw a big man dressed in black in the distance, blocking the middle of the road and not leaving. She was not afraid of him and went straight towards him, but when she got close, he disappeared. Although Ah Zen was calm at that time, it still made her creepy. Suddenly, the bicycle occurred a loud noise and couldn't move an inch. Ah Zen jumped off the bike to check if there was anything wrong with it, shouting, "Who are you? I have no grudge against you. I am going to Wu Feng Church to listen to the sermon, and it is almost time for 7:30. You are so ignorant that you do not know to study Buddhism, and you are still disturbing others here, which is extremely sinful, and makes you unable to be liberated in the next thousands of years. Now, you had better come with me to listen to the original vows of Ksitigarbha Bodhisattva Sutra, which is lectured by Sister Kanzhi, to unfold your wisdom and get rid of afflictions and get happiness." After saying these words, she immediately got on her bike. Strangely enough, the bike seemed to run on its own. Without pedaling, it went straight to Wu Feng, as if it was flying. It used to take more than 20 minutes to get there, then it took less than 10 minutes to get there. Knowing that the ghost was following her, as she entered the courtyard gate, she got off her bike and called out, "Lone soul, the church has arrived, enter through this iron door." When reaching the entrance to the main hall, she called again, "Lone soul, now the sermon will begin. Come in with me, and listen to the sermon." Ah Zen told me that since then, in the next few years, people wouldn't see any haunted thing when passing that spot. Ah Zen told me the above things in person. When I write to here, I can't help but admire that Ah Zen is indeed a heroine. She has a remarkable spirit with both intelligence and courage,